Hey, this is Scott Rulon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can receive future video reviews from me. Hey, I'm so excited. I've been an accountant for more than 32 years and I've looked at hundreds of companies at my life. And there's no place like the internet to find the ultimate scam, or sometimes you may find a diamond in the rough. But today we're going to review Finovate Io review, legit 2%, 2.5% daily ROI crypto MLM or Ponzi scheme. So, have you heard some buzz about this company? Well, I certainly have, and I decided to take a closer look. Chances are someone approached you online or on social media about this residual income opportunity, and now you came here to make sure it's on the up and up. As your guide, I'm going to stroll you through the company, products, and compensation plans so you can make the right decision. Yes? So, listen to this to the end and pay close attention. So here's just a short review of what we're going to look at. We're going to review the company. We're going to see what type of products Finovate has. We're going to see how to make money with Finovate. We're going to look at the different investment plans Finovate has. We're going to look at referral commissions, the cost to join Finovate, and what are other Finovate reviewers saying. And in the end, we're going to give you a final verdict on Finovate. And especially for those that you are tired of scams online, I'll show you my number one recommendation. Finovate claims to be a team of professional traders who invest and manage your funds into NFT tokens. For those of you that don't know what NFT is, that means non-fungible tokens, ones that are unique. As an example, the first tweet on Twitter sold as an NFT token for quite a bit of money. So they're saying they can use these NFT tokens to produce exceptional returns. They claim returns up to 400% return on investment. Well, isn't that amazing? Nice thing is, Finovate is a UK corporation under the company Finovate Investment Group. Their registered address is right here at 28 Eccleston Square, London, England. Let's see, the first accounts, October 31st, 2022, so lots of stuff in there. Under the people section, Michael Collier is listed as a director of the company. Unfortunately, the address in London, 28 Eccleston Square, appears to be residential property and has nothing to do with the company. And furthermore, Michael Collier seems to only exist on the website and has no digital footprint that I can find. So Finovate does not contain information on who runs or owns the company. The domain Finovate.io privately registered on October 13th, 2021. So they've been around for about 4 or 5 months now. The company says it's a legal company, but no registrations with the FCA in order to offer securities in the UK. So what are Finovate Investment Group products? Well, Finovate has no retail products nor services, but you can become an affiliate and promote their affiliate membership. No evidence of any trading. Just like no evidence of the director. But here's an example of their website if you want to take a look and investigate for yourself. And I highly recommend that you do. Don't be that kind of person that just throws money in here without checking the company out. So how do you make money with Finovate? Finovate has a duo of ways you can produce money with the company. First way is to invest in one of their investment plans and start earning a claimed guaranteed return. Second way is for you to recruit new affiliates into the company who invest. Investment plans. Finovate has 3 investment plans to choose from with different minimums and returns. First plan, investing anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000 and receiving 2.5% daily for 20 days. Second plan, investing from $1,500 to $50,000 and receiving 200% ROI after 10 days. And of course, the third plan, investing from $2,500 to $50,000 and receiving 400% ROI after 3 days. They certainly take a variety of cryptos: Perfect Money, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Bitcoin. Well, you can certainly read the rest of the list here. So what about referral commissions? So this is the second way to earn money from the company. Referral commissions have a unilevel compensation plan structure. Finovate caps at 3 levels, and you earn a percentage on your downline's invested funds. On the first level, you receive 5% on personally sponsored affiliate. It's on the second level, 2%, and on third level, 1%. Another company that is very similar to this is Intelligence Prime Capital. You could certainly see a recent video I've done on this one, or you can look at my financial blog, myfinancialfair.com, to learn more and to read about several different crypto MLM companies. So what is the cost to join Finovate? Finovate's affiliate membership is free to join, or as I like to say, without cost. But if you want to be part of the investment opportunity, that is to say, if you want to participate, you must invest anywhere between $30,000 to $50,000 in the cryptocurrencies they support. So what are other Finovate reviews saying? Well, the website, when I wrote this, had only been live for 6 days. Therefore, all the Finovate reviews are biased. They are done by affiliates who just want to get in, get out, and they just want to earn some commissions on you. By the way, the reason I can give an unbiased review is I am not an affiliate. Thank goodness. Finovate verdict. Does the Finovate Io scam exist? Well, here are the facts. First, no idea who runs or owns the company, but they want you to drop $50,000 in cryptocurrencies into their accounts. Second, they talk about trading as a way to produce these larger returns, but there's no proof of it. Third, there is no real registration with the FCA in order to offer securities. By the way, that's illegal. You can bet here that there's new investments paying off existing members, and that's a Ponzi scheme. Plus, if they could legally pull in 400% return on investment, they wouldn't need you or an affiliate program, especially one starting at $30. So logically, think about it. Is this something you'd want to put your money into? Currently, the company is paying, but it can pull the rug, pull the plug, or exit scheme at any chance. I see companies last 21 days to 2 years, just no telling, so you'll never know when they will exit scam. I do know that 99% of the people are left holding an empty bag with no shoulder to cry on. I personally can't recommend this Ponzi scheme. If you have decided to actually learn a skill set that makes you passive income, check out my #1 recommendation below. It's a business that's been in business for 2.5 years, and it teaches people skills on how to make money online. It's not about tactics or gimmicks. It's about true strategy. In fact, I have personally met the owner. His name is Jeff. So if you're tired of scams, my #1 recommendation, if you came to this blog, you actually want to know how to build a profitable business online. Yes, we are offering a business course that helps you build any business online, including network marketing. You are going to learn exactly how to drive your ideal customer to your website, collect their emails, and convert them to buying customers without ever talking on the phone. Hey, if you go to my blog, myfinancialfair.com, you can certainly hit this button here and learn more about the business courses we're talking about. But once you learn the skill set and the mindset, your potential is without limit when it comes to building your business. Plus, every single person gets an over-the-shoulders type advisor. That is correct, one-on-one, to make sure everything is being done right. Other places you can follow me, you've got a list right here, or you can look in the description field below. Please feel free to join my Facebook group. There are 4 simple questions that you must ask, or you must answer, and if you answer them, I will be sure and let you into the group. It's called Fun with Finances, and we do have fun with finances. We talk about different financial topics every week. So if you're tired of failing in business, then go to my blog site, click here, and check this out to take your game to the next level. So making the change, it's important. Get the inside scoop on how you can bring your spouse home and earn work from home. Wouldn't it be nice to earn some money from home? Excellent. Talk to you next time. Bye-bye.